So this is my paper. So analyzing the neurobiological basis of Tirukkural written 2000 years before. I am going to just take you in a very different journey you would have never travelled before. In that journey, we are going to take one scripture from ancient Indian literature from Tirukkural and put it into a CT scan and look at the contents of the Tirukkural and compare with the human brain and then say what is the greatness of Tirukkural. That is my approach. So it's original research findings. So this is my father. So Charles Darwin. When I used to say to all the Tamil scholars in India, do you know about Charles Darwin? They say, don't know. I said, the greatest contribution to literature is given by Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin has said this word which 100% of scholars in literary world have overlooked. What is it? The different languages and different species have evolved through a curiously parallel and gradual process. The struggle for life does constantly exist among the words and grammatical forms in each language, such that the better, the shorter, the easier forms would constantly gain the upper hand. The ultimate survival and preservation of certain favored words in a struggle for existence is natural selection, a process which not only influences various life forms, but it influences languages and words in it as well. Why I show this picture? My entire research is based upon the concept of Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin says, as all the languages are fighting among each other, if you say here, French and Creole will be fighting. In India, Sanskrit and Tamil are fighting. Around the world, if you say English and Chinese are fighting, the languages. All languages will fight because language is an organism. As an organism is born, it is growing, it will be grown, and after some time it will die. All organisms will die eventually when the people who speak it die. This is an organism, let us understand. I don't attribute anything godly to Tamil. Tamil is a living organism. Great people like him made it into a beautiful structure, and people like us spoil it. We kill Tamil systematically. So slowly it is going down. So what we should do, try to revive our language and do something so that this organism lives further comfortably. Tamil தாயை வாழ நாம் உதவ வேண்டும். அது எப்படி?